Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with damp, detangled hair. This improves absorption. Once done, pour 4-8 drops into your palm for short hair, 10-15 for longer lengths, and warm the oil between hands. This activates the formula and makes spreading easier. Make sure to section hair into 3 to 4 parts so application is even. Apply oil first to roots with fingertips, using light pressure, then glide through mid-lengths and ends. You're starting the treatment correctly, fast, targeted, and efficient. Now you move into the core step, massage and distribute. Use fingertips, never nails, and perform a 6 to 10 minute circular scalp massage. This increases blood flow and helps the oil reach follicles. Once massaged, comb through with a wide-tooth comb from roots to ends to remove clumps and spread product evenly. If you want deeper penetration, cover hair with a warm towel or use a low-heat cap for 10 to 20 minutes. This opens the cuticle and improves absorption. Finish by deciding leave time, 30 to 60 minutes for regular care or overnight for deep treatment. Either works. Once done, rinse with a gentle shampoo or style as usual. Use the oil 2 to 3 times per week for most routines, and make sure to scale back to once weekly if your scalp becomes oily. If you notice buildup, clarify with a gentle clarifying shampoo and reduce frequency. This fixes most issues. Remember, consistent, measured use beats heavy, frequent applications.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.